Hello everyone, Daniel here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, we are going to be diving into an unboxing of the Meta Quest 2 virtual reality headset. We're going to dive into all of the contents and everything that comes within this box right here. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to please drop a comment down below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate your support over there as well. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can check out the Meta Quest 2 on your end. This is the 128GB model. Taking it from the top, I want to show you the packaging full 360 so that way you could know what to expect on your end. Let's take a closer look at the contents listed right here. According to the side of the box, we get the VR headset, a silicone cover for facial interface, we get two Quest touch controllers, two AA batteries, power adapter, we have the glasses spacer, and the charging cable. That right there are all of the contents that come within the Meta Quest 2 box. As you see up here to the top right, it does say Facebook account required, so we do have to have a Facebook account to run the Meta Quest 2, just to confirm. One thing that is like very small, super minor, but I could appreciate is this little plastic flap that they included. It allowed me to take off a strip of the plastic, as you can see, which makes it very easy to remove this layer of plastic. That's very small. I know that it is, but it is something that I appreciate. I'm going to remove the outer sleeve. As you can see, it is a sleeve out here, and then we're just simply going to slide the brown box out like so, and we are greeted with a Meta Quest 2 logo. Now, I want to really go out of my way to show you all everything that I possibly can to give you the best virtual experience that you can get for those who are thinking about investing into the Meta Quest 2. This is the box right here. I'm simply going to lift the hood to present all of the contents that come inside. But again, I want to give you all the best virtual experience that I can. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below. I'll do my best to assist you. And we are greeted with all of the contents. On the left we have a controller, on the right we have a controller, in the middle we have the headset, and up top in the box we have the accessories. I'm going to take a close-up look at the left controller, and I want to show this to you full 360 all the way around. You're going to notice there is a little black tab at the bottom right there. We just simply pull that out to go ahead and begin using these controllers. Right here we have a trigger, and then actually no, we have a bumper, and up top we have a trigger. I'm not sure the proper terminology, however I am going to just refer to them what I think they are right here. We have a joystick, we have a Y and an X button, and then we also have another button right there, which is like a menu sort of button. I know the controller may look rather weird, however when I'm holding it in my hand it does feel rather natural. There is also attachments that we can get for these controllers, and which I'll link you to in the description below so you can check them out. That right there is a left controller, and these are almost identical. The only thing that varies are the buttons. As you can see on the right controller we get an A and B button. We also get another menu button with the joystick as well. We also get triggers and bumpers on both controllers in the same positions. The only thing that changes is the buttons themselves between A, B, and then X and Y. Both controllers feel very comfortable in my hands. I will bring more in-depth reviews on the attachments later on, but for now we're going to go ahead and stick to the Meta Quest 2. In the middle we have the headset. Let's take a closer look at that. Right off the bat, the headset does have a little bit of weight to it, but it does feel like it's built fairly well, or actually really well. We do have this paper slip that I'm going to begin removing here. I'm going to take that off first before I begin looking at this further. In the front of the headset, we do have a little Meta logo right there, as you can see, and we have 4 cameras on the front, I guess, outer edge right there of the Meta Quest 2 headset. We can change out the Oculus headband that comes within there. I did get a different one. I'll make a different video showing you all how I'm going to go about changing that out. But for this, let's take a closer look at the Oculus Full 360. On the bottom right here, we have an up and down volume switch. On the left, we have the audio input, and then we have the charging input right there as well. And then on the right side of it we have the on and off button, and then we have a little light that indicates if it's on, off, charging. You get the idea. And over here is the strap with some literature on it, and that is the silicone covering for the Oculus headset there. I'm sorry, for the Meta Quest 2. I'll show you the headset right here close up so that way you can see what it looks like from this angle right here, and it does have different settings for the lenses. I'll get into that here in another video as well, and I'll go ahead and break it all down once I get a little bit more acquainted with everything. But this is the full Meta Quest 2 headset. This actually feels like a decent material. However, I don't recommend, if you're going to be using this for longer periods of time, I would highly recommend to get an upgraded version. And again, I'm going to bring a video on that, as I did get one for this. Here we have these literature little pamphlets here that give us information on how to better our experience. Feel free to pause and read on your end should you choose to do so. And then this is again the silicone cover. For those who are interested on reading this literature, again, feel free to pause the screen at any point on your end so that way you can go ahead and thoroughly do so. You can also adjust the quality of the video here on YouTube to the highest quality that you're able to on your end, so that way you can get the best experience as well. And I encourage you, feel free to drop a comment down below should you have any questions at all. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. When I was looking into getting this, I was kind of scattered and lost as well, so I can understand how it can be for those who are looking to invest into the Meta Quest 2. The next thing in this box here is this glasses spacer. I personally don't use glasses, however my wife does, so I do feel it's awesome that they included a glasses spacer. Let's take a closer look at the Meta Quest 2 accessories. I'm sure a lot of us are interested in what comes within this box here. Within this box right here, it does look as though we are greeted with a bit more literature, and it looks as though we have a full charger, which I'm pretty surprised to see because not even iPhones come with a full charger, which I feel is pretty lame. However, for the Meta Quest 2, that's a 2 thumbs up from me for the fact that it does come with a full charger for us to use. So we are able to charge our Meta Quest 2 out the box, which is a 2 thumbs up from me. We are going to be diving into another video reviewing the Meta Quest 2. We are going to be taking a close-up look at environments and kind of the operation of this console right here, so be sure to stick around for that. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this. That's everything that comes within the Meta Quest 2. This is my unboxing, and again, I encourage you, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I do have social medias under the same name as his YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate your support over there as well. Yet again, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I appreciate you tuning in. You have a great day.